I am going to read English newspaper. Sarmila Tagore launches national-wide campaign. Today on International Day of Older Persons, Help Age India announced the onboarding of Sarmila Tagore, renowned actor and Padma Bhushan awardee, as its honorary brand ambassador. As ambassador, she launched the national-wide campaign by Help Age titled Generations Together along with young champions for the elder cause involving school children and youth. The campaign aims to strengthen generational intergenerational ties and foster an age inclusive society towards a society for all ages, unlocking opportunities. The theme of the day was towards a society for all. Ages unlocking opportunities, under which insightful panel discussions took place on unlocking opportunities when generations come together and unlocking opportunities through partnership which involve stakeholders from various sectors such as educational institutions, private sector, media, along with representations from youth and the elderly. It was held in the presence of senior citizens, school children, youth, and volunteers. Expressing her enthusiasm and commitment, Sarmila Tagore said, I am now at that stage in my life where I am choosing my work, doing what resonates with me. I am committed to my role as Help Age India's brand ambassador and hope that I can help make a difference and be the voice that amplifies elder concerns, raise awareness, and urge people to come forward more strongly to support this cause as we all are getting there. Today's theme towards a society for all ages is exactly what is needed, but there has to be a systematic change, which means all stakeholders must play their part, whether it be civil society, educational institutions, corporates, philanthropists, public sector, policymakers, the youth, and us as well. There are an estimated 140 million elderly in India today and a population of 500 million below the age of 20 years. The current life expectancy at birth is 71 years, and at age 60 it rises to 78 years. As life expectancy increases, people of a wider range of age groups are coexisting for longer periods, making strong intergenerational relations crucial for achieving an inclusive and age-friendly society. Help Age India's 2022 Bridge the Gap Understanding Elder Needs revealed that 79% of the elders felt that their family does not spend enough time with them. 40% elders wants to learn new things to feel included and be a part of society.
खाना बना कर बनी
and 59% want their family members to spend more time with them. The gap between generation is evident, and India faces a unique challenge that requires collective action. Thank you guys for watching this.